To add a video to a course page, click on the video widget until the menu appears above it, and then click Edit Video. Inside of the Video Settings window, under Video Source, add the URL address for the specific lesson page. Course videos cannot be directly uploaded onto the website, as video files are very large files, which will cause the website to slow down. Course videos must first be uploaded onto a video hosting platform, such as YouTube or Vimeo. The URL link which is displayed above the uploaded video on these platforms can then be copied and pasted under the video source block. Use a custom thumbnail if you wish to upload an image thumbnail for the video. Or disable the thumbnail to instead display the start image of the video. Once you have added a video source for the course lesson, then click on Save.